Hello, and welcome to Open House 2020. My name is Jill Dellen, and I will be your child's integrated algebra and geometry teacher this year. First, let me tell you a little bit about myself. This is my 14th year teaching here at Glenbard North. I'm a Glenbard East grad, so District 87 has been a part of my life for over 20 years. I have a bachelor's degree from Illinois State University, and I obtained my master's from Lewis University in, believe it or not, instructional technology. Mind you, this was in 2010, so tech was nothing like it is now, but because of it, I truly have a passion for technology. Now let's move on to some class expectations. First off, students need to attend our live Zoom lessons on their assigned days and be on time. All school rules apply during our Zoom meeting. Students need to act and speak appropriately. Students need to check Schoology daily for screencasts, assignments, and answer keys. On certain days, I will be live teaching lessons where students will then complete an assignment, perhaps live teach another lesson, and then they'll have to complete another assignment. But sometimes there's just not enough time to do back-to-back lessons, therefore, screencasts will be available. If a student is absent, they should be checking Schoology for screencasts and assignments. If a student is absent, there will always be a screencast available for that lesson, just in case. Finally, students must be willing to work hard and persevere if faced with setbacks. Here's a glimpse into our Schoology page for our class. When a student enters the Schoology classroom, the first thing that they're going to see is our Zoom link. That's where they will connect with me on our assigned days. Underneath that, I have my office hour links. This usually is Tuesday from 12:30 to 1:30. I will always be available at that time in the link, but if a student needs to meet with me at a different time, they just have to let me know. Underneath those, I'll have folders, and each folder is specific to a chapter. Let's take a look inside our Chapter 1 folder. As you can see, there's subfolders within this folder, separated by weeks, which tells students which assignments are due for that week. In those folders, they'll also find screencast, answer keys, homework, and homework answers. Here are a couple things about integrated algebra and geometry. First off, this class is made up of freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. IAG is an accelerated class combining Algebra 1 topics and geometry topics. The next course after this is Algebra 2 with trigonometry. My goal is to prepare students with a solid foundation of algebra skills so they're successful in Algebra 2 with trigonometry. Our grading policy is specific to remote learning. 75% will be made from assessments and 25% will be made from homework and work habits. This is a good chance for a student to use their homework to raise their grade so that they are successful in class. Our semester grade will be made up of the 90% from the term grade and then 10% from their final exam. This is my contact information. If you need to reach me, you can email me at jill_dellen@glenbard.org. You can call my Glenbard number, 630-681-3129. Or you can have a direct connection to me with my Google Voice number, which is 630-791-0437. Once again, my office hours are Tuesdays from 12:30 to 1:30. If you need to meet with me outside of that, I'm also available. Thank you for listening, and I hope we have an excellent year.